Most people download Clio expecting instant money within minutes. But here's the truth no one tells you. Same-day funding depends on several factors, and if you miss one small detail, your cash advance can take way longer than expected. In this video, I'll explain whether Clio actually gives you money the same day in 2026, how fast the process really is, who qualifies for quicker funding, and the biggest mistakes that delay your advance. Let's get straight into it. Yes, Clio can provide same-day cash advances for eligible users. But not everyone gets instant funding automatically. This is where most people get confused. There is a difference between being approved for an advance and actually receiving the money instantly. Clio first analyzes your banking activity, income patterns, account health, and repayment history. Then the app determines whether you qualify and what delivery options are available. A user named Jake saw this firsthand. He linked his payroll account, verified his information, and qualified for an advance quickly. Because his bank supported faster transfers, he received the funds the same day. Meanwhile, Alex linked an older secondary account with inconsistent activity. His approval process took longer, and standard delivery delayed the transfer even more. So right away, your bank account setup matters a lot. Now here's where it gets interesting. Clio usually offers different delivery speeds. Standard transfers may take longer, while express delivery can move faster depending on your bank compatibility and the time you submit the request. But here's the problem. Many people assume same day means instant within 5 minutes, no matter what time they apply. That is not always realistic. If you apply late at night, during weekends, or during heavy banking traffic periods, delays can happen even with expedited options. This is where most people fail. They wait until the last possible second before requesting an advance. Imagine John realizes his car insurance payment is due tonight. He downloads Clio for the first time at 11 p.m., expecting immediate money. But then he still needs identity verification, account linking, and approval review. That process alone can slow things down. The smarter strategy is preparing your account before emergencies happen. Now in a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to improve same-day approval odds. But first, let's talk about how Clio advances actually work. Clio is not a traditional loan company. The app operates more like a financial assistant combined with a cash advance platform. It analyzes your income and spending habits to estimate what you may safely borrow before payday. Most new users start with smaller advance amounts. This surprises people constantly. Some expect huge limits immediately after sign-up. But Clio generally increases trust gradually based on repayment history and account consistency. So if Sarah starts with a small advance and repays on time consistently, her eligibility may improve later. But if someone constantly overdrafts or misses repayments, growth may slow down. Now let's answer the biggest question directly. How fast is same-day funding with Clio? For eligible users using supported banks and expedited delivery, funds can sometimes arrive within hours. In other situations, transfers may take longer depending on banking systems. That is why there is no single guaranteed universal timeline. And this is very important. Your bank matters almost as much as the app itself. Some banks process incoming transfers quickly. Others move much slower, especially during weekends or holidays. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users think upgrading to premium automatically guarantees instant funding. That is not exactly true. Premium memberships may unlock additional features or larger eligibility opportunities, but transfer speed still depends heavily on banking compatibility and verification status. So even paid users can occasionally experience delays. Now let's talk about qualification requirements because this matters more than most people realize. Clio typically looks for consistent account activity and recurring income patterns. Direct deposits help significantly because they prove predictable cash flow. But here's the good news. Some users with gig income or freelance deposits may still qualify if their cash flow appears stable over time. This is where people often make a major mistake. They connect accounts with very little activity instead of their main income account. Always link the account where your actual deposits arrive consistently. Now let's discuss fees because viewers always ask this question. Clio may offer standard delivery options that take longer, while faster transfers can involve extra costs depending on the service selected. So technically yes, same-day funding is possible. But speed may come with additional charges. A user named Mark skipped reading the transfer details and accidentally selected an express option with extra fees attached. The money arrived quickly, but he later realized the convenience cost more than expected. That is why reading every confirmation screen carefully matters. Now in a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to maximize Clio safely. But first, let's clear up another huge misconception. Does Clio check your credit score? Generally, cash advance apps like Clio focus more on banking behavior and income patterns than traditional credit checks for small advances. That means your approval may depend more on direct deposits, spending consistency, and account history, rather than a hard credit inquiry. This is one reason these apps became so popular. But here's the problem. Because approval feels easier than traditional lending, some users begin relying on advances constantly. That cycle gets dangerous fast. Borrowing from future paychecks repeatedly can create long-term financial stress. So use these apps strategically for short-term gaps, not permanent financial management. Now, let's talk about the fastest way to improve same-day funding odds. First, verify your identity immediately after sign up. Second, connect your primary payroll account. Third, maintain regular deposits. Fourth, avoid excessive overdrafts. And fifth, request advances earlier in the day whenever possible. Those 5 steps alone can dramatically improve your experience. Now here's where it gets really important. Even if Clio offers same-day funding, you still need realistic expectations about advance size. Many users start with modest amounts. The app builds trust gradually over time. This is where patience matters. People expecting huge emergency loans instantly often end up disappointed. Clio is designed more for smaller paycheck gaps rather than massive borrowing. Now let's compare Clio briefly to other popular apps. Apps like Dave, Earnin, MoneyLion and Bridget all handle cash advances differently. Some focus heavily on subscription models. Others rely more on paycheck tracking or direct deposit history. Clio stands out because of its conversational assistant style and budgeting-focused experience. Some users enjoy the personality and automated insights. Others prefer simpler interfaces with fewer extras. So the better question is not whether Clio is universally perfect. The better question is whether it matches your financial habits and expectations. Now let's wrap this up. Yes, Clio can absolutely provide same-day cash advances for eligible users in 2026. But funding speed depends on your bank, verification status, delivery option, and account history. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until an emergency happens before setting everything up. If you prepare your account early and maintain stable banking activity, your chances of faster funding improve significantly. And remember, same day does not always mean instantly within minutes. Banking systems still affect timing. If this video helped you understand how Clio really works, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me how long your Clio transfer actually took. Your experience could help someone else avoid delays and confusion.